Hello viewers, a new update has come for Apple devices, that is iOS 17.2. This is a welcome change. In this update, a lot of new things have been included along with this update. But if your iPhone is out of warranty, in that case should you update to the latest version of 17.2? We'll talk about it in this video. This is a big update with a update size of 1.3 GB. This update will bring some changes in the app journal, and also you will have new customization features in messaging apps. Moreover, you can lock the journal app going to the settings. This device is iPhone 13 and it is running on iOS 17.1, and I have not installed the 17.1.2 update. Yet I have not noticed any issue along with this display. This is HDR certified display and I have noticed no such issue of green tint or green line issue along with iOS 17.1 update. But a lot of users are suffering from green line issue, so if your iPhone is out of warranty, you should stay away with this update. Also, there is no problem in my camera with iOS 17.1. So if you are not encountering any kind of issue with your update, don't update to the latest version because it may cause some problems such as battery drainage, network issue or green line issue. Because if you face any kind of issue with the display after the latest update, Apple will not recognize it and will not change your display free of cost. You have to pay at least 30,000 rupees to repair your display. Moreover, if your iPhone is out of warranty, you don't need these new updates. But if you still want to update your iPhone to the latest version with out of warranty iPhone, you can do it on your own risk. My suggestions will be to wait for a few days and watch some videos on the review of iOS 17.2 and then decide whether you should update to the latest version or not. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. And if you have any question regarding this update, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.